Throughout class this semester, we will focus on a set of essential questions for each module. These questions will be answered with our readings, our supplemental materials, and our assignments that we explore within that module. To begin, here in Module 1, I want to read to you a short vignette from the Exploring Math and Science in Preschool book published by the NAEYC. A few years ago, my nephew Sean, then 3 years old, developed an interest in birds. He started a collection after he saw plush birds in a museum gift shop. The perfect size for preschoolers' hands. The birds make authentic bird calls when squeezed. Sean likes to play, arrange, and cuddle with them. He settles the birds in their nest, which sometimes live next to his bed, and he often falls asleep with one or two of them. He has a scarlet tanager, an oriole, and a turkey, among others. For birthdays and holidays, family members have given him these plush birds and taken great delight in seeing his interest in birds grow. During the first year of this phase, Sean wanted to dress up for Halloween as one of his favorite birds, a red-winged blackbird. He wore black sweatpants, a black sweatshirt with yellow and red tape on his upper arms, and black wings that his father fashioned from a broken umbrella. The next Halloween, Sean wanted to be a painted bunting, a colorful bird from the cardinal family. Having heard, "What are you?" a lot the year before, Sean and his parents brought the plush bird with them the second year. As they trick-or-treated, they met a neighbor who recognized Sean's costume because he had lived in Oklahoma, one of the states where painted buntings live. I love this story because it not only talks about why my nephew dressed up like a bird for 2 Halloweens, but it also reflects Sean's science and math explorations. From the beginning, the plush birds taught Sean about similarities and differences. All birds have wings, but different types of birds make different sounds. He learned about habitats and building a nest. When he met the neighbor who recognized his costume, Sean learned about migration patterns. His parents introduced the word migrate and explained how and why birds fly to different places. Sean explored math concepts and numbers when he realized he had too many birds to fit in one nest. He had to count to see how many fit and how many didn't. Sean's passion for birds had taught him a lot about science and math. And just as Sean's sustained interest has helped him explore these concepts, similar projects and activities can help preschoolers learn.